Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a great crypto investment plan, guys. Okay, it's like crypto investment plan as well as SIP method or FD method, like that. Lot of options available. We can see a best crypto investment plan, guys. Okay, make huge profit by following this, guys. Okay, never lose your crypto also. Okay, guys, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so if you do this via my link, you will be getting 100 rupees in BTC, guys. Okay, so open the Giottus account. Okay, this is the Giottus account, guys. Everyone know that this is the Giottus. Okay, so after opening Giottus, just log in your account, guys. Okay, just log in your account. I'm logged in my account. Okay, after just log in your account, after that click on home page, buy sell page. Okay, here is the grow your investment, guys. Okay, here is the three options available: SIP, wealth builder, basket, invest in ideas, FD is coming soon, guys. Okay, not that came. So here the thing is SIP. This is the best crypto investment plan in the history, guys. Okay, this is the first exchange that came this SIP method in crypto, guys. Okay, click on SIP method. Okay, guys, sorry for that. There is little bit sound in my background, so sorry for that, because I'm not able to do coverage at right time. So right now I'm in outside, so that's why I'm little bit noise is there. Sorry for that, guys. Okay, so this is the SIP method, guys. Okay, SIP explore, SIP start a SIP dashboard. Okay, so there are a lot of options available. You can check it and click on start SIP, guys. Okay, start a SIP. So click on SIP dashboard. SIP dashboard. This is a SIP dashboard. I'm not started any SIP plan, so click on start a SIP, guys. Okay, start a SIP. So here few coins. Select a coin, guys. Click on choose. Okay, choose coin to start up. Okay, here which coin you can start your recipe: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, Binance coin. Here is a only four coin available. Okay, USDT is like it's a constant coin. Okay, because 75 to 80 dollar, 75 to 80 rupees it will be in constant, guys. Okay, but for Ethereum it will change in future. It will change. It will go to high level and all. Bitcoin as well as also same, guys. Okay, and Binance coin also same, but USDT remains same. It won't go much profit, and only for SIP profit you will be getting. Okay, so I am choosing here Ethereum because Ethereum will go bigger in future, more than $10,000. So I am choosing here Ethereum, guys. Okay, so click on start here. So here enter value. Okay, how much you can invest: minimum 1 INR to maximum 1 lakh INR. Okay, you can invest, or else minimum 0.0001 Ethereum to maximum 1 Ethereum. It's upon you, guys. Okay, so I'm here clicking on, just for video purpose, and here clicking on minimum 1 rupee. Okay, just clicking on 1 rupee and clicking on next, guys. Okay, so every monthly it is asking hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. So I'm clicking on monthly. Okay, so today is the date. I'm changing the date 25th. I'm giving every month. Okay, 7:30 a.m. time is given, 7:30 a.m. So I'm giving 12 a.m. That's fine. Okay, so clicking on next, guys. Okay, SIP details: Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum 1 INR. Every month I am investing 1 rupee, guys. Okay, every month I am investing 1 rupee monthly, starting 25th 3rd it will create. Okay, March 25th my first SIP 1 rupee will invested in Ethereum, and the wallet balance will be, for me I have 1 INR. Okay, 0 Ethereum. Please ensure INR balance is in your wallet to avoid SIP transaction failure. Okay, it is showing please fund your INR account. Okay, so in case future you can avoid the SIP transaction failures. So if you click on SIP, your plan will be created, guys. Okay, like this you can create. Okay, so if you come back like this, you can create, clicking on how much amount, which coin you want, you can select. I'm selecting Ethereum. Okay, so how much amount you can invest here, you can invest here. Like if you want to invest 100 every day, 100 means clicking on 100. Okay, hourly, every hour also you can invest, daily also you can invest, weekly also invest. monthly also invest. So 100 per day it's fine, because monthly it will come 3000 rupees, so that will be big investment. So you can earn big amount in this SIP method, guys. Okay, so this is the first Giottus exchange that started the SIP method in crypto, guys. Okay, future this will be a great platform for all the things like money savings. This crypto savings will also come in great process ahead, guys. Okay, so this is the beginning. So Giottus account only started this plan, so it will go in higher level, guys. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Okay, if you are anybody interested, just I'll give my link in the description. Just click on the link and sign up the account, and you can invest at your own risk, guys. Okay, this is also SIP method. This is also give good profit in the future, guys. Okay, so nothing to worry at all. Just click on the link and join, and just you can invest how much you want to invest. It's up to you, guys, how much you can invest every month or every day or every hour or every weekly. You can choose it, guys. Okay, it's up to you. You can choose it and you can invest, guys. Okay, in future you will be getting a great project in this SIP method, and future returns will be awesome, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the SIP method, and come back. Okay, so another one, basket investment ideas. This is the basket method, investment ideas. If you want to invest in some other ideas, okay, some other ideas in future, this e-vehicle that will play major role, means you can invest like that. This is the beginner for the cryptos. Okay, so here also you can check it and invest here in crypto. Okay, based on that. And FT is also coming soon in crypto. In crypto, FT is also coming soon. That also you can invest based on if you want to invest more, you can invest in FT also, guys. Okay, so that's it, the video for today. Okay, you can check all the video related carefully, and you can invest at your own risk, guys. It will, because this platform will give much profit in future once you hold for a year, 2 year, 5 year, and all. That will be a great platform, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you.